Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss a topic from class 7th science, that is adaptation in animals. In this particular video we are going to find out the reasons behind how can a polar bear or a penguin survives in extreme cold environment in the polar region, how fishes and other aquatic animals are able to live inside water. To find out the answers of these questions, we need to know about adaptation. Adaptation is the process of adjusting or the change by which an organism or a species becomes better suited to its environment. It is the process that fits organisms to their environment, enhancing their evolutionary fitness. Adaptation may be general or specific in nature. Different organisms live in different environmental conditions. They need to adapt themselves according to the changing climatic conditions to get food and shelter or to increase their reproductive fitness. Next, the types of adaptation. Adaptations are of three types: structural adaptation, behavioral adaptation, and physiological adaptation. So, let us first discuss what is structural adaptation. The adaptation which deals with the modification in physical properties of an organism is called structural or physical adaptation. It may be the appearance or disappearance of any body part, change in shape, size, or color of the body. Examples of structural adaptations are the presence of horns in deer to defend against predators, the presence of gills, fins, and streamlined body in fishes, brightly colored flowers in plants to attract pollinators, the modification of forelimbs to wings in birds for flying. The other examples of structural adaptation are mimicry in different reptiles and insects, and camouflage in chameleon and snakes. The second type of adaptation is behavioral adaptation. Behavioral adaptation is the modification of responses or the inherited behavior of an organism that help it to survive or reproduce. The examples of behavioral adaptations are migration in birds. Migration is the seasonal or periodic movement of animals like birds. Along with birds, many other fishes and insects also migrate. The other examples are hibernation in bear, animals living in a group to save themselves from their predators. The third type of adaptation is physiological adaptation. A physiological adaptation refers to the metabolic or physiologic adjustment within the cell or the tissues of an organism in response to an environmental stimulus, resulting in the improved ability of that organism to cope with its changing environment. The examples of physiological adaptations are the production of venom or poison in snake. Reptiles and fishes are cold-blooded to cope with cold water environment. Next, let us discuss what are the adaptive features of polar bear. It has white fur so that its predator and prey are unable to see it. It has two thick layers of fur to keep it warm. It has a layer of fat under its skin to insulate its body from cold. It has a very strong sense of smell. It has long, curved, and sharp claws which help it to walk on ice. Next, the causes of adaptation. Adaptation could occur due to mutation or natural selection. Mutation is the sudden genetic change which could be accidental or random. Natural selection means nature selects the most adaptive one or the most suited one. The advantages of adaptations are: due to adaptation, animals are able to survive in changing environment. It provides scope for evolution. Without adaptive features, animals can't survive in drastic conditions. Adaptation helps in better reproductive fitness. Some adaptive features defend the animals from their predators. This is the end of my video. Thank you.